All right, shenanigans. As you can tell, it is pouring out there. It is soaking wet. But Minnie and I are braving the weather to see what we can find out on the curb. We're gonna go junking and scrapping. You willing to get wet? Well, if you are, hop on in, let's go. Some of you are gonna have to sit in the back where you're gonna get real wet. Hope you don't mind. Bring your soap. You can shower while we're driving. All right? Okay, let's get going. About y'all, but I find this comforting and mesmerizing. Let's just sit and listen to the sounds. I should have left it. We went under a bridge and the rain stopped for a second. It was cool. Anyway, we needed this rain. We had our burn ban lifted a while back, a couple weeks at least, and you know, because we had some decent rain, but we haven't had rain since then. And now we're getting real soakers, which is really, really nice. Really nice. Anyway, after trash picking today, after junking, I have plans on continuing with our house cleaning. Last time I was, well, the time before, last time and the time before, I was going through games. You would not believe how many games I had and still have. I love games. I even have games from when I was a teenager. Probably from when I was a kid. And I have games from my grandma. So, anyway, that reminds me, I lost a game from my grandma. Hope I didn't sell it or get rid of it. Anyway, I have more games to donate. They were excited about the games when I donated them. And I bet if I go into the thrift store right now, they won't be there. All the games will be gone. I guarantee it. And I donated furniture from that house that we're helping clean out. We gotta go back there yet and get some fencing, but now the ground is wet, so I don't know how that's gonna work. We can't tear up the yard. I don't know, we might have to carry the stuff and it's gonna be heavy, but you do what you gotta do. If it's still there, I have to message her and find out if she had somebody else pick it up. If she did, I'm not gonna cry about it, even though we could have used it. Because Papa and I wanna extend our fence so we can just let our dogs out the patio door. Let them go to the bathroom on their own and play out there or whatever. Anywho, I'm trying to think if there's anything else I wanted to tell y'all. I don't know when they'll come out, but I have 2 more scrapping videos, or going to the scrapyard videos. One of them, I went through my non-ferrous, and boy was that a trip. I was so sweaty after I loaded the truck for that one. Anyway, I did that yesterday. Today is Thursday. October 25th or something? Yeah, 26th. Yeah, 25th. No, 26th, because the video just came out this morning. So, anyway, that tells you that I save up videos. Sometimes I save them up enough so that if I need time off, I can take time off. That's why I save them, I should say. But there's times when I don't have enough saved up and I can't put videos out, like last week. Was it last week? Week before? Yeah, last week. Anyway, I think you will see one of the scrapping videos this Saturday. Because tomorrow I'm going to do the second part of today's video. Put it out. And then, yeah, Saturday you'll see one of them, and next week you'll see the big one. Alrighty? I hope y'all are having a great day. And I'm going to enjoy this rain until I have to go out and pick something up. I'm already wet, so I'm going to be a drowned rat by the time I'm done with this, I'm guessing. So, y'all can laugh. Y'all can laugh at me. And I'm okay with that. So let's keep going and have us some fun in the rain. Well, I think I got it adjusted right. And we have our first pickup. Let me put my gloves on in the truck. And I just remembered my rubber gloves. We brought them in the house to use. So I don't have any rubber gloves. We're gonna have to make this work. But we have our first item. And we will take it. Oh, we got more in there. Take it all. What else we got? Oh, those are toilet seats. That's a wiper blade box. We won't take that, I guess. I actually thought it was more. But yay, the rain settled down a little bit. And blue sky up there, y'all. Blue sky. What luck is that, huh? I see blue sky. Anyway, onward. Go check and see if this is metal or not. Could be plastic, I guess. And I missed it on the way down there. Oh yeah, I think it's plastic. It looks plastic. It's one of those, yeah, it's one of those papery type shades.
Oh well.
Looked metal for a little bit, but I bonked your heads. Y'all okay? Ay, ay, ay. I'm trying to bend my camera to aim upward more. I must have got it too tight. Alright, that way and that way. House where we went to the yard sale, and there's a I think it's a blower. Yeah, it looks like a blower with the cord off of it. Almost doesn't look like there was a cord. Wonder if I can get this out. Oh, that's just plastic anyway. But there is metal in here. Pieces from the blower. That's what that is. Yep, that's what that is. That's a motor right there, y'all. That is a motor. Got it stuck. I wanted to get this on top of it there so it won't blow away. There. Let's get the rest. I don't know. I want to reach down in that water. Here, we'll do this. I should have left it in the bin. Oh well. Because now I am getting my gloves wet. I'm going to pick them up with my fingers. That way I can tell if things are plastic too. Like those two things. Oh, there's a screw. Alright, now. Whoop. Yeah, drop stuff. Hey, there's a worm. See him? See the wormy? Wormy, wormy, wormy. I have yet to figure out why rain brings worms out. Is it because their ground is all wet? I don't know. All right. Would have been nice to have had that blower. That's a nice one. But, oh well. He also didn't tell me he had metal. I gave him one of my cards. Maybe he forgot it. Right, Minnie? Maybe he forgot. All right, y'all. Let's keep looking. We're getting a little bit. As long as we keep getting a little bit, we're good. We're good to go. Otherwise, just gonna be a leisurely drive in the rain. All right. No, let's go look at this. I don't know what that is. Looks pretty flimsy though. We'll leave it. Guess curiosity got me, and I passed the trash truck, so he's on his way into this working his way on this end of this neighborhood, so we're gonna stay one step ahead of him, and we got lots of other neighborhoods we can go to, so, and we will after we get done here. Alrighty, onward y'all, onward. Rolling up on at least a cord. Uh-oh. Gotta find my nail quick. Anybody have any ideas for dealing with nails that break a lot? Break easy? Chip easy? I used to take biotin, which made a big difference, but it upset my tummy. Even when I took it with food, so... Anyway, let's go get a cord. And maybe something else, I don't know. Might be some other stuff in there. I'm gonna flip this over so it can go all the way under. Guess that didn't work. I guess that didn't work. I don't know why that car stopped there, but I'm gonna do my thing. I ain't gonna worry about them. Power helix. Leave a little end on it. Just in case, even though the trash man's coming. Ooh, a cool clock. I'm not into teams, but that's cool. Ooh, I forgot to empty my truck. Oops. Oops, we're gonna have to make do. I can rearrange it if I have to. Thought I saw something else in here too. Canvas. I got so many canvases to paint on now. It's awesome. Yeah, I don't need any. Well, maybe this. That's pretty dirty. Although, no, it's broke. Good reason to leave it. It's broke. I was gonna put it in the back. Let it get cleaned off from the rain. All right, Joe. We're gonna head on down that street because Trash Man has not gone there yet. Very interesting. Very interesting. Uh-oh. Part of my truck just broke. That's not cool. Really? Maybe I can push it down. Maybe it just unhooked. Look at part of this broke too. Ellie Mae is falling apart. Poor Ellie Mae. Poor Ellie Mae. We gotta take care of you, Ellie Mae. We love you, Ellie Mae. All right, let's keep going. Ooh, look at that. I was just gonna shut you all off and we got a live find. People are getting rid of their satellites. My phone just dinged. We'll worry about that in a little bit. We're gonna grab this first.
Satellite dishes, satellite dishes. I like those satellite dishes.
I know how I'm gonna put this. Maybe like that. We'll put this one in first. Facing it. And should we have it on the other side? Yeah, we'll worry about it later. That's good for now. That's good for now. All right. Now we will keep going that way. Boy, that was a weird that way. Leave it to me. Oh boy, Nana. Oh boy. Metal or plastic? I think it's metal. Let's go have a look-see. Let's go.
Check it out, 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 check it out.
It's wood. Don't even have to walk up to it. It's wood. Oh well. We checked it out.
Checked it out, checked it out, checked it out, checked it out, checked it out.
Yeah, we did. For what it's worth, we checked it out. I honestly couldn't tell. Oh well. I wouldn't subject you to going and looking if I knew for sure. Keep rolling. We got us a pretty flower. We're gonna go get that pretty flower. Decorate our yard with that pretty flower. No, I'm not putting my gloves on. It's just a pretty flower. Isn't that a pretty flower? I think it's a pretty flower. We're gonna have to take care of that. I'll stick it way up in here so it don't get ruined. There we go. I barely got my hands wet. Nothing in their can. Nothing in their can. All right. Getting a little tiny bit. I actually was thinking we wouldn't get nothing. Because it rained this weekend, people don't tend to this last weekend. People don't tend to go through their stuff when it's been raining. I don't think that was metal. Did the trash man go down there? Yep, he did. And did he go down there? It looks like it. So out this neighborhood we go. New neighborhood coming up in a little bit. We can go down here, and there's a cord there. Oh wait, we already got that. We already went down here. Nana! I think I went the wrong way. I should have turned around there. Oh well, we'll turn around here. Actually, we'll just go down this street. That'll get us out too. I think. I don't think I went down here. No, this is a cul-de-sac. I didn't go down here. Well, glad I did, even though we didn't find nothing.
Cul-de-sac, cul-de-sac. We're going round the cul-de-sac.
Wee-haw! What am I doing? Turn my blinker on. Knucklehead. Nana the knucklehead. Alright, I'll let you know if we find anything else. Get us a mum. I think that's what this is. And then I think there's some stuff over here. Let's see if we can bring that back. Not sure I want this in the truck. Although, I guess I can put it in here. Causing a problem. Yep, causing a problem. Alright, not gonna buckle. I'm just gonna go up here and see what we got. Looks like a little bit of metal. Definitely not taking the couch. Alright, Joe, let's go look. Looks like that was a nice couch at one time. Nice bed frames. Or headboards, I should say. I'll take this. Not the glass though. Didn't know there were two of them. Almost had a big uh-oh. Yeah, almost a big uh-oh. If I knew anybody that needed bed frames, I would grab those. But I don't know nobody that needs them. I'm gonna stick this on this side. And we can put stuff in it. Alrighty. I'm having fun today. Y'all having fun? I'm having fun. Minnie's all comfortable and seepy girl. Yeah. Alright, y'all. Onward that way. I'm going to grab some wood. You know me. When I see wood, I grab something. Some of these look pretty good. Pretty usable. Yeah, we'll take that one too. Why not? Use it for a shim if nothing else. I don't know, do I want any of those short 2x4s? I don't know. We're gonna look at them. We'll look at them. See what we think after we look at them. Get over there. Lay down. Go underneath this board. 2x2? Is that what that is? 1x2? 1x1? I don't know. That's a fairly decent size, I guess. Maybe be able to use them for something. Alright, that's all I'm gonna take. Oh well, we'll leave it. All right. We got spark raindrops on the, we got one raindrop. That fix it? It looks like that fixed it, mostly. There. We should be good to go. All right, that's what we're gonna do too, is go. Go, go, go. Alrighty, let's go. I think it's a halogen light. I'm only gonna take one glove. That's all I need. No, what is that? Ooh, if it works, Papa's gonna be happy. If and it works. Put that in the truck so I can dry out. I'll put it on the front floor. There we go. Ooh, that'd be awesome if it works. Because we had one almost exactly like that. We bought it from a place called Dirt Cheap. And with it, oh, it's lit up. It does work. How do I shut it off? I think this might be the same one. Because I don't know how to shut it off. How do you shut it off? Compressor. LED light on, off. Button on top. No. Alright, we'll just let it dry, I guess. Let it sit there and dry. It turns on. The worst that'll happen is the battery will die and we'll have to recharge it, so that's no big deal. Oh, I hope that works. I really hope it works, because Papa will be super, super excited. Pop a comment down below if you were super excited about it, or if it didn't work. All right, we're gonna keep looking and see if this is something. I think I'm about ready to take my jacket off. Oh, that's one of those bins. Yeah. What's that? I'll take that. Some kind of yoga mat or something. Anything in this one? Look at that. Look at that. Bugs got in it, but Should be fine, I think. We'll try them. If they don't work, we can throw them out. Yep. If they're too dirty, we can throw them out ourselves. That's a nice yoga mat, I think. Uh-oh. Magnet fell. There we go. I'm gonna take my jacket off quick. It's not a jacket, it's a shirt. I use it for a jacket. Gotta pull my pants up now. I didn't have to do that as long as I had my shirt on. Nobody could see my pants was down. These pants don't like to stay up. Well, I'm glad I went and looked. Got a little something anyway. Alright, we're going that way. Got us some stuff. Quite a bit of it too. Should we take those pots? They're kind of nice. How heavy are they? Let's go open the back of the truck. Thank you, Ellie Mae, for not fighting me. I don't want to get all dirty. And I could get dirty from these. That'll blow out if I don't put it somewhere else. Put it there. All right. Let's get these dudes. Oh, I'm not sure I'm going to take that other planter. We'll block that George Foreman thing in with these so it can't blow out. That one's purty. Have to see if they work. What else we got? One of them turned on, I think. Got some shoes. Are they all singles? Oh, there's one pair. A little pair of Nike shorts. What we got in here? Guess we can take that. We're gonna keep looking. One of those is beeping. I gotta get it shut off. I must have hit the button. Yeah. It isn't shutting off. Well, we'll leave it there. Just gonna have to make noise till it dies. What do we got? There's the little shoes. What kind of shape are those in? Yeah, we can take those. A little boot with no match to it. A can. We can take the can. Anything in here that we can take? Glassware set. We can take those. The bag is kind of nice, but written in a little bit. Alright, I think that's it. Well, that's a shirt. Wish that other boot was in here. See some other shoes. That's it. Alright. I'll put these in on this side. Well, I'm glad I don't have that in the truck. Light bulb fell out. I'll put you down here too so you don't fall out. Shoes. Little shirt. And the glassware. Oops, bonked your heads again, y'all. What am I doing? Hope that dies soon. That's a little bit annoying. Just a wee bit. Can't seem to hear it up here, so that's good. We'll see how long it takes to die. Alright, let's keep going. We'll get a cord, y'all. That thing's still beeping. I think it's gonna beep for a while. Personally. Okay, where we got? Alright. Got us another cord. Good thing I pulled in. Since the car came. We're gonna go down this road a little further. We've never been down here before, so I'll see what's down that way. Don't think there's a lot, but we're gonna go check it out anyway. We did find a cord, so maybe we'll find something else. Who knows? Anyway, that way for a little ways, then we're turning back around. Let's see if it's any good. It doesn't look too bad. It's got a little bit of damage, but it's not bad at all. There's some pillows. WD-40 can. Or whatever. We can take that, poke a hole in it, and we can bring it to the scrap yard. Oh, I got yucky all over me. Oh, that is really broke. Never mind. Never mind. And I got enough pillows, so I don't need those pillows. Yeah, don't need those pillows. They need some help anyway, I think. looked like they was a bit dirty. All right, keep looking. When I first came in here, trash cans were picked up. So I thought, oh, the trash man's been here. Let's go up here and check. Anyway, I figured he's been here. So I was gonna just turn around. And then I noticed there were full trash cans, so thought, well, let's look around then. He must be just starting to work on this neighborhood. Yep, just starting. So we'll see how much we can get before he does. Right? We like a challenge. Alrighty, onward. Alright, shenanigans, that's it for today. It was a leisurely drive. Not a lot out there, but that's okay. Now that I think about it, we better go check and see if anything can blow out before we head on home. Come with me. Oh, that thing is still beeping. I think these will be fine, but I might strap them in. Those right there. Dishes. That maybe can blow out. Maybe. And of course, that's still beeping. Oh, I got it. Yes, it finally worked. All right. Anyway, that's what we got for today. That's it. Not a whole lot, but that's okay. That's all right with me. We did get some stuff in here. You know, little shoes and stuff and a couple things. Should we check these glasses? See what they look like? Let's bring them out here. Ooh, look at that. Looks like they used them once and got rid of them. That's what it looks like. So they're definitely going to need to be washed. Good thing I looked. And that clock, that can be repainted. Yeah, that can be repainted and anything put on it. I'm gonna look closer at these little boots. These are adorable. They are super cute. Yep, they're super cute. I don't know what this hat is. Cadillier's County Roads Hat Company. I don't know. Has a duck on it. The mums smell pretty. Hopefully we can bring them back. I don't know, I think I watched Friggin' Frugal and I think they cut them back. So we'll probably try that. Anyhow, there's Mr. Trash Truck. Yep, there's a trash truck coming. One guy was smiling at me. Maybe they didn't finish here. I don't know. I'll go up and check. And if they didn't, maybe I'll go down some more streets. If you see more after this, you'll know I did. Anyway, hope you all are having a great day, evening, morning, afternoon, whatever time it is, wherever you are. Take care of each other. Pray for those in need. Minnie and I, we love you from the bottom of our hearts. And until next time, be blessed, y'all. Bye.